Guys, hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. I'm out to get my decoration stuff that we are going to be using for our Christmas tree. Yes, I got my Christmas tree already. The other time I went to supermarket, that was on Saturday last week. That day was on Saturday, but actually they locked everywhere that very day. But I think something was really happening that day. That's why they locked everywhere. It was on Saturday and I decided to wait till today. Today is on the 10th and we are buying the decoration things today and we are going to be decorating today. I hope to do it today because normally in my previous Christmas, like I start preparing when we just enter December, like on the 1st. On the 1st of December, I start preparing for my Christmas. But this year is quite different. Not that I'm not happy, but not just like my previous Christmas, like so happy. I feel like a baby. I remember those days in Nigeria, those early age, like when I was a kid. I always feel those moments till last year. Like this year is so little bit different. I'm not just too feeling the Christmas, but I'm so happy because it's not easy for us to be alive today because of all the things that happened in this year 2020. If you can see today, and is what thankful for, and I am really thankful for me to be alive today, and for my loved ones, for my lovers of good things. I am really thankful to God for keeping every one of us alive. I hope to decorate the Christmas tree today, and I think I will upload that video tomorrow on the 11th because today is the 10th already, and I don't have to keep wasting time anymore. Let me just fix the tree and let's move on. Yes, we are moving on, and I am still on the Vlogmas. Yes, but actually I did not just upload every day in this Vlogmas because I can't afford to do that because it's not easy for me to just upload every day. I say well done to those people that upload every day, and you guys are really doing a great job. You guys are really trying. My Vlogmas is like after uploading today, I leave a day on the space and I upload the other day. That is how I participate on this Vlogmas, and I do really love it because I have not really upload like this before, so I'm happy if I can just do my best on this Vlogmas. Please guys, continue to watch my video, share it, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and I will so much appreciate it. And then that's it for the video, and I will be going into the supermarket now. I just decided to sit down here and do this video, and Misha is at my back. Can you see her? I have my Vlogmas playlist. If you have not watched them, please go and watch them, and I hope you enjoyed them. And that's it guys, so I will be going to supermarket now and get those stuff, and to see you guys in the house. So guys, I will be going to supermarket. I don't think I'm going to vlog all the whole things, but I will just show you how I get into the supermarket, and I buy the things quick and I go home. See you guys later. All those Christmas tree decorations, I decided to eat. Yes, food is life, and we decided to fix it this evening, and we have fixed the Christmas tree already. If you are new to this channel, my name is Ladyzionsweethome. If you have been watching us, you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe. It's absolutely free of charge. Yes, we are a season of love. Show love by subscribing. Show love by liking my video. Show love by sharing my video. That is all about Christmas. Yes, guys, without taking much time, thank you to all my amazing subscribers. Thank you for my supporters. And may the Lord God Almighty bless you. You can see me with my Christmas cap, and this is for my hobby. Yes. What? Angel with Bible. Well, go and put it. So guys, we just finished fixing our Christmas tree. This is looking so beautiful. This is beautiful, eh? Can you see that angel with Bible? That's so cute. This is cute as well. So this is it. Our gift is on the way. Oh my God, Christmas is in my house. So let's off the light and see. So guys, this will be the end of this video. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And we really did a great job. Misha did a great job, yes. Hobby did a great job, and Serenity and Min, yes, we all did a great job. And our Christmas tree is set. Opa. This is looking beautiful. Opa. This is looking beautiful. Can you see this? So guys, thanks for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.